Hey, I know, guys. Let's work some QRP. Let's go to the global QRP watering hole and see what we find. As is always the case, the S9 Plus signal that was screaming in my receiver on the QRP watering hole frequency is now gone. Whatever happened to digital ops staying up around 7.070 on 40 meters? You know what? It's a shame. I just posted a video about making CW more active, and I'm a lifelong QRPer. Do you have any idea how this breaks my heart? I struggle with the changes, and the struggle is due to my age, but I'm a very open-minded ham. You have no idea, man. And I welcome digital modes, but am I not allowed 1 kilohertz of 40 meters as a QRP CW enthusiast? 1 or 2 kilohertz, man. Is that asking so much? And I do expect that I'll have at least a couple few people that are enthusiasts in digital modes, come to the defense of the digital ops. But and that's cool. But there really is no defense. After all, if it would focus, well, it won't. But that is the worldwide QRP watering hole on 40 meters. It really, it so discourages me, because what's the answer? They'll never stop. Digital operations are going to keep crushing down and crushing down on and crushing down on we CW ops until they've taken it all away from us. I feel like cussing in anger, but even more, I feel like crying in sadness. I've lived this my whole life. I'm 62 years old, and if you want, you can go ahead and ridicule the boomer, the old aging boomer that's crying about his code. Although none of the subs in this channel would do that. Some out there would laugh and ridicule at the old boomer that, you know. Thing is, it's not just we old boomers that are into CW. And it's too bad, man. It's really too bad. At this point, I think the only answer, and I've said this before, I think the only answer is legislation. We need to we need a barrier. We need a wall. Look what's happening now down at the U.S.-Mexico border now that they've destroyed the wall. That's fucking sad, man. Well, we need that wall. For a nation without borders is not a nation. And we need a wall here, man. Because things aren't going too well between CW ops and the FT8 heads. You know, when I hear this kind of thing happening, it's very, very hard for me not to have abject hatred for digital modes. You know, how would you feel? You've crossed the finish line, man. You're in your freaking golden years. You're getting your Social Security, you're living comfortably, not to excess, but you're not lacking anything. All you want to do, man, is build an attenuator so that I can run even less power, right? I mentioned that too. My God, man. You know, I'm bored with QRP. I want to now work DXCC with 1 watt or a tenth of a watt. But I depend on this. I depend on a QRP watering hole somewhere where I cannot be roasted by the RF of digital heads. You know? And I'm very frustrated and about ready just to say screw it. And, you know, quite frankly, the thought of operating free band between the 10 and 11 meter bands is quite attractive right now. You know, I won't be under attack there. I'm getting very discouraged here, man. And I'm sorry to bitch about it like this, but it's my only outlet. Be well and take care. 73, everybody.